Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Remember when I talked to you about my bug bounty experience and how I mentioned OWASP Juice Shop and PortSwigger as great ways to practice your new bug bounty skills? Well, today I'm going to go ahead and go into detail about those two platforms. Without further ado, roll my intro. Here we are on a fresh Kali Linux VM, and I'm going to walk you through on how to install OWASP Juice Shop. Now before we get started with OWASP Juice Shop, we have to install a few things first. First, we need to install node.js, and to do this, all we have to do is just sudo apt install node.js. Once that's done, we need to go ahead and install npm. Now, even though npm had that recent compromise, we're fine. We're not installing any suspicious Axios packages, so we're good to go. And on screen here is a list of commands that you can do just to make sure you're not installing any Axios packages. Now that we have those two things installed, we're gonna head over to the Juice Shop official GitHub. And like I always tell you guys, if you get confused or have a problem with your install, always refer back to the documentation. Next, we're gonna go ahead and copy the GitHub link right here. And switching over to our Kali Linux machine, we're just gonna run the command git clone followed by the link that we copied. So we're gonna go ahead and let that install run. Takes a few minutes for everything to download, so I'll go ahead and cut back once the download's done. Now that our download's done, next we have to cd into our Juice Shop folder. Once inside our Juice Shop folder, we're gonna do the following command, npm install, and we're gonna go ahead and let the install process do its thing. Once the download's done, you may see a few errors and warnings, but that's okay, nothing here should be a problem. Once the install's done, our next command is going to be npm start, and that's gonna go ahead and start our Juice Shop. Once it's up and running, as you can see here, our Juice Shop is running on port 3000. Switching back over to our browser, we're going to type in our local host followed by port 3000, and here we are. We're inside the OWASP Juice Shop. So like I said in my last video, the Juice Shop is a great way to practice those new skills that you've learned, but in a safe environment. There's a scoreboard that keeps track of your progress, but unlocking the scoreboard is one of the first tasks that we have to do. And don't worry, it's really easy. After the Juice Shop URL, all we have to do is just type in /score-board, and voila, here we are. You've completed your first task in the OWASP Juice Shop. And like I said, as you can see here, there's just a mountain of tasks that you can do. Definitely check those out and start learning a few things. Next, we'll go ahead and take a look at PortSwigger. With PortSwigger, it's really easy. All you have to do is make an account and then go to the Academy section of the website. And as you can see here, there's even more skills that you can practice. In my honest opinion, PortSwigger seems to have a lot more activities that you can practice with. That doesn't mean one is better than the other. I highly recommend playing around with both of them, just getting those bug bounty skills up so you can start making some money. So that's it guys, this was a quick and easy tutorial. Down below, let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know if you guys are doing any bug bounties. Let me know how your bug bounty journey is going. And with that being said, thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you guys on the next one.